Method 1. Preparing basic hot Milo. 1. Assemble your ingredients. This is the basic Milo recipe. Make it according to package directions, or customize it to fit your personal taste. For this recipe you will need 3 tablespoons Milo powder, hot water, optional add-ins, milk, cocoa powder, sugar, chocolate syrup. 2. Heat 12 ounces of water. Milo does not dissolve well in cold milk, so most Milo preparations begin with hot water. You can either boil water in a kettle, or heat it in a microwave-safe container for 1-2 minutes, until it just begins to steam. 3. Add Milo powder to a mug or cup. The package directions call for 3 tablespoons, 44.4 milliliters, but many Milo drinkers like to use a lot more, depending on personal taste. Begin with 3, and see how you like it. You can always add more powder later, or make it stronger next time. 4. Add hot water and stir. Add a few tablespoons of water first, and stir thoroughly to make a paste. Then, add more water and continue stirring until your cup is nearly full. 5. Cool off your Milo and enjoy. You can add a few tablespoons of cold milk to your Milo to cool it off, and create a creamier texture. You can also drink it plain, just be sure to let it cool off a bit if you made it with boiling water. 6. Customize your Milo recipe. Many people like to add additional ingredients to their Milo concoctions. Try the basic recipe first so you know what you're starting with, and then experiment with your recipe the next time around. Add 1 teaspoon, or more, of sugar to the mug before you add the hot water for a sweeter drink. Add 1 teaspoon, or more, of cocoa powder or chocolate syrup for a stronger chocolate flavor. Substitute hot milk for the water for a creamier drink. Heat milk in a pan on the stovetop over medium heat until it just begins to bubble, or microwave for about 2 minutes in a microwave-safe container. Method 2. Preparing cold Milo. 1. Assemble your ingredients. This variation on Milo is a popular breakfast drink for children in many parts of the world. For this recipe you will need 5 tablespoons Milo powder, 1.5 tablespoons sweetened condensed milk, hot water, cold milk. 2. Heat some water. You will only need a few tablespoons of water to dissolve the Milo powder. Boil the water in a kettle, or microwave it for 1-2 minutes, until it begins to steam. 3. Add 3 to 5 tablespoons of Milo powder to a mug or glass. How much you use depends on how strong you like your Milo. 4. Add hot water to dissolve the Milo powder. Pour enough hot water into the glass to cover the Milo powder by about 3/4 inch, 1.9 centimeters. Measuring boiling water is a dangerous process, so just eyeball the step, then stir, stir, stir until the powder is fully dissolved. 5. Add 1.5 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk. This will sweeten the beverage, and add a very creamy, smooth texture to your beverage. Give the drink another quick stir. 6. Add cold milk to fill the glass. Give it one last stir, and drink it down. You can use low-fat or skim milk here, but most Milo drinkers prefer to use whole milk.